Titan Trading channel. Here in this channel, we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. We'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock, and I'll be sharing my personal opinion based on my knowledge of technical analysis that I've acquired as a full-time trader. Before beginning this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say in this video as buy and sell calls. If you wish to be a successful and profitable trader, you must be able to conduct your own research and come up with your own decision when executing your trades. Now, so in today's video, we'll be talking about TEXCYCL BHD. Before we zoom in to see what's actually going on, let's give a brief overview on starting on the daily chart first. So TEXCYCL is a chart that had been consolidating over the past year or so, around 40 to 50 cents, right? Without much volume one. Okay, you see no volume. And then out of nowhere, earlier this year, during January, it just shot up crazy, right? With huge volume, right? And how many percent did it surge up? From this breakout, 43 cents all the way towards the highest point, 87 cents. Is 100%, right? Around 100% surge in less than 1 month, right? With huge volume. And since the markup phase, I did not see any large volume or profit taking activities being done yet, because every time when the stock retraced, it's quite low volume here. Retrace consolidation is quite low volume. And of course, during last Friday, we saw a huge volume breakout again. So the question is, what's actually happening for TEXCYCL BHD? So without further ado, what I like to do is I like to zoom in on the hourly charts to see what's actually going on. So I think for this matter, the 4-hour time frame will be good. Okay, let's pull out my Fibo as usual. Here, support can be here, and resistance 87. I think there's even a chart pattern here as well. Something like that here. Then here. Okay, so actually, since surging up towards the 90 cents level and after retracing for over the past few weeks or so, it had been forming a symmetrical triangle consolidation pattern on the hourly charts, right? Where it starts to form higher lows but lower highs at the same point. And on Friday, where it started to trade towards the end, it broke out with huge volume right here. See, it broke out with huge volume from its 84 cents resistance and really all the way beyond the previous high of 87 cents, but it was just one bit higher. It went to 87.5 cents. Okay, now the question is, what's going on here? Okay, now this breakout was definitely a strong sign of a bullish continuation pattern after consolidating and retracing over the past month or so. And for now, it seems to be holding above the 84 cent support really well. So what could actually happen is that it could form a higher low here around 84 cents and continue up towards God knows what price lah, right? Because I don't know what's going on behind TEXCYCL. I didn't see any new buyer coming in, or it could be a goring situation here. Not sure yet, but over the past few months, over the past few weeks, I did not see large volume of distribution yet. So this markup phase might be incoming. But that's it. It could still fall below this 84 cent support and go back towards the 77, 78 cent, 79 cent levels to consolidate more first. Or it could just consolidate forever until some announcement comes out and just, go down if it's a goring situation. Or it could consolidate and break out again at a later stage. Another possible scenario is that it could still be developing its chart pattern, right? Where it forms a range pattern instead of a symmetrical pattern, right? Where it sort of forms this kind of range between, let me remove this, between say 77 to 87 cents, right? It could just form this range pattern and just consolidate. And it'll take time to develop, but it could consolidate forever, or it could break out at a later stage. But the thing I hate about this consolidation phase is that it is hard to time and predict any breakout, right, as compared to a chart pattern like this symmetrical triangle chart pattern where it sort of broke out towards the end around the 84 cents level, and it could continue up like that. All right, so it's hard to say, but for now still looking quite strong. All right, and yeah, I think TEXCYCL is looking quite strong, and if able to hold above this 84 cents support, it could continue on towards and beyond the 87.5 cents major resistance level. Otherwise, it could just fall back below towards the 77 cents support to consolidate further, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, yep. So do give us a like and share our video to your friends if you find our information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated for all our upcoming videos in the near future. And I'll be covering TEXCYCL in the coming days and weeks as well. So do stay tuned, and yep, have fun trading.